What's up guys, Grip and Rip here, and today we're doing a review of the CBR 125. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to be marking this bike on a few categories: speed, comfort, handling, looks. And I'm going to give it a mark out of 40. You should know that the only modifications on this bike are that it's got a Scorpion's red line or red power exhaust. It's very comfortable actually. Well, it would be in comparison to mine. Mine's very hunched over. This I've just sat comfortably. It's got a nice comfy seat. It's actually really nice. It's quite a confidence inspiring bike, I'd say, because it's quite big, so it gets you used to the bigger bikes. But it's not so big that it's intimidating. See plenty out of the mirrors. I have to say, I am a fan of this. .69 miles an hour, 70. It doesn't actually look like I feel like I'm doing 70 though. It's nice. Then a lot of people tend to go for the CBR 125 for their first bike, and I can actually see why. It's really nice. But I've gotten used to it really quickly. Comfort, I've got to give it a 10. Handling, it handles pretty well. Although I don't know what to compare it to really, so I'll give it a 9. I think it's a very good looking bike as well, so we'll give it another 9 there. Speed, I'd say, I think mine's a bit quicker. Mine certainly feels quicker, but it doesn't actually feel like I'm doing 70 now, but I am. Go for an overtake. So I'll give it an 8 for speed. Oh, I do like this bike. I can see why the Mazda has one. Over and all then, with a 10, a 9, a 9 and an 8, this bike gets a 36 out of 40. Oh, this bike is so easy to drive, or ride even. God, my bike sounds amazing. bike is lovely. I tell you what, if you're 17 years old and looking to buy a 125, the Honda CBR 125 gets a thumbs up from me. This is one of the bikes that you gotta get. I can see why Jamie loves this thing. Oh, it's glorious. It's a masterpiece. Honda really did work their magic with this. Oh, this is lovely! Oh, I'll tell you what, it passes with ease. So there we have it, the CBR 125. It's a great starter bike. Absolutely brilliant. Okay guys, so that was the review of the CBR 125. Shout out to Jamie. Shout out to the Mozza for letting me have a go on it for a nice little ride. I'll link his Instagram down in the description below. Go check him out, drop him a follow. He's got actually quite a nice Instagram account, so be sure to check that out. If you enjoyed the review, if you enjoyed the video, smash a thumbs up. Why not? Just for banter. And I'll see you guys in the next video.